Hey guys, Steve here. Today I just wanted to get on and do a quick video. Well, you know my videos aren't quick. A nice video to go over the Power Lead system and one of the funnels that's included in the Power Lead system that can really help you generate some cash online. If you're new to the online making money niche, this definitely is the newbiest, friendliest system that you could ever possibly get involved in. It's an all-in-one marketing system that has everything: caption pages, autoresponders, sales pages. All of it's customizable. It allows you to share code any funnel with any of your downline, with any of other members, with anybody. And actually, it's a tight-knit community that shares their share codes with each other, and there is extensive training, everywhere. So anyway, this is one of the basic capture pages that's actually used for a lot of other things. Let me turn my mouse hover on. Here we go. The easiest online system, creates leads and daily cash, absolutely newbie proof. A capture page, it can be as simple as you want it to be, as long as you have a headline and a place for someone to put their information. Here's another capture page that's included. Now these are able to be edited, so you can put anything you want on here and use this capture page. Also, you can do whatever you want. You can change the picture, change this, and also, let me see real quick. There's a whole list of, say, capture pages right here. This one, this one, this one, this one. The list goes on and on and on. As you can see, they're all editable. So that's just that. But what I wanted to show you was the 24-hour, 24/7 viral cash funnel. They do the work, you get paid. Finally, new done-for-you system pays you passive income on the work that hundreds, even thousands of others do for you. I'm going to play this video and let you see what's going on.
If you're tired of wasting your time and money online and you're just ready to start getting paid, let me show you how to create a viral income stream that multiplies fast and pays big monthly checks. Introducing 24/7 Viral Cash. Here's how it works. 24/7 Viral Cash promotes a powerful marketing toolbox that helps network marketers, top-tier marketers, affiliate marketers, and internet entrepreneurs get more traffic, more leads, and more profits. No more pills, potions, and lotions. You're offering turnkey marketing tools and training needed by millions of serious marketers and home business owners worldwide. The marketing toolbox includes stunning lead capture pages that you can customize for any product, service, or opportunity with just a few clicks. That includes jaw-dropping lead capture pages with full-motion video backgrounds designed to stop your visitors in their tracks and get them opting in immediately. It also includes a full autoresponder, ready-to-go email follow-up campaigns, Google Hangout pages, traffic training, and everything you see here. Your referrals get all of these powerful plug-and-play marketing tools and training modules worth hundreds of dollars a month for just about $1 per day. Everyone in these companies and thousands more just like them need these marketing tools to get the traffic and leads they must have to start making real money online. All you do is use our powerful marketing tools to share 24/7 viral cash with everyone who is serious about growing their online income. Then, when your 24/7 viral cash system recruits a new member, your income goes up by $20 a month. That's right. Every new referral is a new income stream that pays you $20 a month. 10 to 20 new members would pay you $200 to $400 a month in passive residual income. 50 to 100 members would pay you $1,000 to $2,000 a month. And there's no limit to the $20 monthly income streams you can get paid on. The more members you refer, the bigger your monthly income grows. Your team can quickly grow from just a handful of new members to dozens, even hundreds of people, all adding to your monthly income automatically. Of course, no one can guarantee how much, if any, income you'll make with our system, but the viral profit potential is massive. Plus, there's more. You'll also get paid 50% of the Payline commissions from everyone you personally refer. Imagine if just one of your referred members made $1,000 a month, your 50% bonus would be $500 a month with no extra work. If that member made $5,000 a month, your 50% bonus would be $2,500 a month. And if you made $10,000 a month, your 50% bonus would be $5,000 a month. And you're paid this 50% matching bonus on everyone you personally refer to 24/7 Viral Cash. That could be dozens, even hundreds of people, all paying you 50% of their monthly income. The more you refer, the more 50% bonus commissions you make. And all you do to make this money is use our done-for-you marketing tools to share 24/7 Viral Cash with the millions of people worldwide who want to make a passive income from home. And that's it. The system does the rest for you. It sells our breakthrough money-making system and tools. It takes orders for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it pays you big monthly commissions every single week, just like clockwork. If you can copy and paste a link, you can make 24/7 Viral Cash. But you must act fast. Even though we've just launched 24/7 Viral Cash, new members are rushing to join, locking in their monthly income, and sharing this with others right now. If you don't want to miss out on the biggest commissions possible, you need to grab your 100% risk-free trial below and set up your very own Viral Cash machine now. The faster you act, the faster you can be making 24/7 Viral Cash. The clock is ticking, and if you wait, you'll kick yourself for missing out while we're at the very beginning. So join now and start getting paid real viral cash fast.
Yeah, so that's what that is. Okay, so that was the 24/7 Viral Cash video. So that video said a lot, right? It's easy. You just share the marketing tools and get paid viral commissions every month for everybody that that you get on board. Millions of MLMers, top tier marketers, affiliates, and internet entrepreneurs worldwide need a powerful income growing tool to get more traffic, leads, and profits. So basically, the video just told you everything that's here on this page. You get unlimited custom lead capture pages, built-in autoresponder system, professionally written email campaigns. Also, you can integrate it with Aweber Get Response, and it also has its own built-in autoresponder. But for those of you who already have your own list on a different email platform, you can integrate this system into it, and many, many more money-getting tools. It's simple, point and click, drag and drop interface. It also has a power blog. It's called a power blog, where you can set up your own blog built into this Power Lead System marketing platform. Everybody you refer to 24 Viral Cash gets instant access to everything they need to get more traffic, more leads, and more profits. There's a lot of stuff built in here, but the biggest thing that really gets me and what I really enjoy is the 50% matching commissions. I combine that with, because I'm a bundler, I combine that with my other programs that give me 100% commissions. And if you didn't know, the training school that I also offer as 100% commission, they're based in the Power Lead System. So they teach a lot of the same things. So, it's a very good program. Refer 3 and your gold membership is free. So basically, as a PLS customer and an affiliate, your bill would be you would pay $53 a month. But like with all the tools you get, it's worth it. And the affiliate, you get to be an affiliate where you can make $20 a month off of everybody who signs up that you get in. I mean, right now, internet marketing, making money online niche, everybody needs these tools. And like I said, compared to ClickFunnels, it's like $100 a month. This is half the price with so many things that you can do with it. It has shared codes, customizations, um, everything, and you get that recurring residual monthly commissions from anybody who's using this tool. Every online marketer needs a tool. This is a tool that they can use and generate some cash. So it just goes over the pay line structure here. This would be you. Then you have all of these people who you brought in. You get paid commissions directly to you, right? And you make a portion of their uh, their commissions as well. So this is some other training that's in the back. Free ad secrets training, social profit academy training, and master traffic institute training. Now, mind you, those are also bonuses because once you're a member and affiliate, um, you can be somebody could buy this course. It costs them $150, and you can get a commission instantly of $100 because they purchased that, right? It's amazing. So you can generate thousands of dollars just by promoting this platform and with the cooked in opportunities that are already in there in the training packages. Yes, you get 50% matching bonus for all of your personal referrals. It's a nice extra income. You know what I mean? So here's just a quick example. Here's how the 50% matching bonus works, right? This is you. You brought in Mary, John, Sue, and Tom. So if Mary generates $980 a month, you'll get 50% of what she generated. No, it doesn't take money from Mary, but you just get this additional income. If he makes this much a month, you get 900 because you get that 50% matching bonus. Look at Sue here. She hustling. You get half of her $3,500 a month. So on and on and on as it goes. So just imagine if you have a team of 20 people, not only are you getting their $20, monthly residuals for affiliate, if they have a team of 20, you're getting their money. You're getting a half of that. And it doesn't take money from them. So that's why this opportunity is so great and it's so easy to get plugged into. There's absolutely no limit to how many people or personal referrals you can have, all paying you 50% every month. And what's so great about it is less than $2 a day, right? And everybody needs these tools anyway. So people are actually looking for tools like this, but this tool pays so good that once you're in, you don't want to give up. You don't want to just set it down because the money starts coming in. But just to let you know, you can get a free trial, 7-day free trial, and test the system out. But ultimately, you really, if you're getting into the affiliate marketing business, this is what you need. You need an all-inclusive system that has all the tools that you need to get started to put you on a path of success. And the video explained everything, and I'll also put a link down to the compensation video. But one thing I did want to say is that I'll also leave a free marketing software in the description box that you can use to promote any opportunity. As you saw on other videos, I always promote the free lead system, which you can use to combine with other things free to generate income. And maybe you can generate enough income to go ahead and dive into this 24/7 viral cash system. Like I said, it's great. It's an excellent opportunity. I didn't know how to make web pages or anything like that, but when I got in here and got all the training, I've been doing it for over a year, and it's an awesome opportunity. And it really is an excellent way to generate some income. And it also will allow you to see that this affiliate marketing, making money online space is full of potential and full of cash making opportunities. But that's all I got. Like I said, there'll be a link for the 7-day free trial in the description box. There'll also be a link for a free version of a free lead system down there. And also, I'll have a couple other things down there you can check out. But, Like, share, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed what I went over today, and thanks for hanging out. I'm out.